Christina.
And I'm Kelly.
And welcome to our channel.
We are best friends, stay-at-home moms, and 40-somethings who love fashion.
We met 9 years ago when our daughters were in Girl Scouts and have been inseparable ever since.
We thought it would be fun to create a channel to inspire other women our age and share some of the things we've learned over the years.
We put together affordable outfit ideas through lookbooks and fashion hauls.
We also share different styling tips and tricks on how to make the most of different body types, how to get ready faster, and lots of other helpful topics.
We release new videos every Monday night, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Mommies Makeup Moscato.
We hope you'll subscribe so you don't miss any of our new upcoming videos.
And until then,
bye!